Hi, it's Elle from BoostNote. This tutorial is about how to use our public API. BoostNote for Teams supports authentication using a bearer token, and this is associated to the team it was generated on. I will cover how to create an access token, edit the name of the token, and delete it. We also prepared a detailed documentation for you, so check the link of the article from the description below. Alright, let's get started. To create an access token, click Settings and Members and then API. In the API section, click Generate Token. You can now see your generated token, and you can copy the token by clicking the Copy button next to the token. You can also check the actual token by clicking the Show button too. If you want to change the name of this token, click this pencil icon. After you change the name, click Save. If you click the pencil icon by mistake, click the Cancel button over here. If you don't need this token anymore, you can delete it by clicking this trash icon. Please check out the article about this public API if you want to know what you can do with this token. I put the link for that in the description below. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure to thumbs up if you like it or found it helpful even a bit. Let us know what kind of tutorials you want to watch in your videos, and we will post regarding that as much as we can. And last but not least, if you found anything inconvenient or good ideas to improve the product, feel free to send us issues and pull requests on GitHub. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one, and have an awesome day. Bye!